Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. We've had a prezzie, and I don't know who it's from. I've reached out in the chat groups and sent a message asking whether anyone has sent me anything. I've had no responses yet. So I'm going to do this one as from ANON. Obviously, once the person comes forward, if they want to be named, I'll come back and change the video details. So, without further ado, folks, let's have a look inside to see what we got, shall we? In the meantime, a big thank you to ANON for sending this to me. Right, let's flip this over. Trying to remember where my address is. I've run the knife along just so that it saves a bit of time. Nice bit of packaging. And we have got... This is a Warhammer commemorative series, folks. And it's called Provisionally Prepared. And it's a little battle scene with two dudes in the middle. Look at them bad boys, eh? Look at them. And there's the box art there with all the artwork and everything on how you can paint it. Look at the detail in them, folks. Hey, let's try and capture that. Look at that. Oh, absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. So let's get the knife of openingness out and we'll open this up and see what we got. So let's just open up my little scalpel. There you go. So we don't want to slice myself to pieces, do we? And we'll just run that gently inside that box edge. And then come around there. Do the same there. And again, just going away from me there. Like that. And then obviously put my blade away. Because we don't want to cut myself, do we? Oh, actually, let's just cut them little bits there as well. Makes it easier to open, doesn't it, Cole? There you go. And then just pry that up. There you go. Now we can put the blade away and open this up. So we get a sprue of goodness in there and the instructions. As you can see, beautifully moulded. And luckily for me, this is in quite separate parts. So I can come round and I can do all the painting of the different areas and then assemble it towards the end there. So I'll build the fellas, then I'll do the sandbags as separate. This is separate, the wall. Paint them all up, get them all detailed, and then we'll bring the composition together. I think that might be the better way of me doing it. So have a look at the old instructions. Goodness. Yeah, they're pretty much doing the same here where they're saying join the fella and get them to this stage. The same with the second one there. Get him to that stage. We can then mount them on our little figure holder. We then got the base there, so we can do load of work on the base, load of work on the sandbags, and then start bringing this all together, folks. I think that will be the easiest way for me to achieve a result. And again there it's saying like build the sub-assembly, and then we can paint all of that and then drop it down on the scene. I think that will be the easiest and probably the way that will get us a slightly decent result, folks. What do you think? I'm actually really looking forward to doing this, to be honest with you. There's a lot of challenges for me. You then got all your sandbags that can be detailed. You then got your bottles, your teacup, all your provisions there with wine bottles, chickens and stuff like that. So you can really go to town with your textures and your washes and stuff like that. So I'm tempted to do the bulk of it with contrasts and then come round and pick out little bits. We'll see. And then obviously this is the box art it's given us. And we want to try and replicate this liquid in the bottle effect. I do like that. Same with the teacup there. He's got a Warhammer teacup. So I might do one with me little logo on it. I'll see how we go. So yeah, I think that's going to be a nice little challenging project for when I get back to doing me live stuff. So yeah, so we can get it built live and into its sub-assemblies, and I can go off and prime it, and then we can come back and do some video on the Warhammer painting bit by bit and get this painted for you. So look out for that, folks. So that's the instructions, and these, as you can see, are beautifully moulded with all the detail. All the detail in the cloaks, all the bottles are there. There's your chicken down there. He's holding his beer bottle. Got some more bottles and spades and stuff like that going on. So yeah, again, even with the guns and that, polishing the guns and doing all the sights, pair of binoculars there that we can do. Might try and do a little cable or strap holding them. There might be one already moulded on the figure. We'll have a look when he starts going together. But yeah, all in all, I think we're going to have great fun with this. So whoever you are, Anon, thank you very, very, very much for thinking of good old Festa. Cheered me up no end, mate. And yeah, reach out. Like I say, I've put some requests in some of the chat groups I frequent. So if you do see it and you'd like your name added to the video, let me know so that I can do it. Obviously, if you want to remain anonymous, I will respect that decision. But it doesn't stop me saying thank you. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for thinking of me, for sending me this, and I hope I do it justice for you, because I'd like to reward your generosity with a nice bit of work for you. So there you go, folks. That's this one done for the day. Remember, like and subscribe. And once I do find out, I'll add some details to this video, folks. So thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye-bye for now. Look at it.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down,